Out these two sleeping bags from 1TG, One Tigris, and they're both pretty neat. They're soft, they're comfortable, and they're pretty cold resistant. This one is the Snowy Owls, and then we have the Owls. What's neat is they've got these indicators on here to let you know how large they are and how much they weigh. This one's about 1,500 grams, 1,700 grams. This one can take you down to 20. This one can take you down to 10. So let's open them up. They both have compression straps holding them together for travel and whatnot. And then this one is inside of a sack. Once we pull it out the sack, you can see it's a nice square shape, which I like. Lay that one out. It's got the mommy bag up top, so it can snug across your face and stuff, but it's square at the bottom. I really like that. We'll open up the other one here. Two clips, two compression straps, but I like this one because it's connected. That's pretty neat, right? We'll pull this one out. This one feels like a down. We've got a smaller footprint for the feet, and really nice interior. I really like the interior of this one. And then this one reminds me most of one of my military bags. That's the two 1 Tigris bags and how they lay in the back of our tent here while we're camping. Hope this helps.